Let's see how to use tabular data like this and create a crosstab like this. You will think that I could have done it using a pivot table, but that's not possible because pivot table cannot show text in the value area. You can download this file and try it out. This is the input data. We want to process it and create an output. As always, I would recommend create a new blank file and let's work on that. Let's import the data, get data from file Excel, and I'll choose that file. This is the table we want, and we want to transform the data. This will open Power Query. So now I want to convert into a crosstab. Crosstab is also sort of pivoting. So select the month column, go to transform, choose pivot or pivot column. Now it'll ask you what should be the values column. Now in our case, there aren't any values, but there are row headings, column headings, and data or value area. So it's asking you what should go into that data or value area. We want year to be headings. So result should go there. We don't want to aggregate. So advanced option, none of these apply. Don't aggregate. That's it. Click OK and you get the result exactly the way you want. Now go to Home tab. As always, click on Close and Load to. I want it as a table on a new worksheet. Click OK and you get the results. Right now I've kept the result as text, but it can be number, it can be date. It doesn't really matter. For this to work, the combination of a month and year has to be unique. How do you make sure that the combination of month and year is unique? We are in Power Query, so select both columns. Look at the number of rows. Now right click on the header and say remove duplicates. In our case, there are no duplicates, so it is still 36 rows. And now you can apply the pivoting functionality. It's a very good idea to learn the syntax of Power Query while you are using it. Understand the parameters. First parameter of table.pivot function is the original data, which is coming from the previous step, remove duplicates. Then list.distinct means give me unique list of months. And that attribute column is called month. And in the data area, we want the results to be shown. So we just added some more data. File is autosave, close it. Now this is our output. Right click and refresh will work beautifully. We have used Power Query to do it. Now you'll tell me I could have done it using index match and filter. Yes, that is possible, but in both cases, you'll have to manually create the headers, the row header and column header, and only then those functions will work. Whereas the Power Query approach is very simple and very effective. So try it out. Let me know your feedback. Subscribe for more and share it with as many people as you can. So that's it. See you soon. Thank you.